In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your tasks from ClickUp as a CSV file, and I'll cover two completely different methods so you can choose whichever one fits your situation. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms out there, and knowing how to get your data out of it in a clean, portable format is an essential skill, whether you're reporting to stakeholders, migrating data, or just creating a backup. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get straight into it. The first method is perfect when you only need data from one specific project, list, or folder. Think of this as a surgical export. You're targeting exactly what you need and nothing more. To get started, navigate to the specific list or table view inside ClickUp that contains the tasks you want to pull out. If you're not already using the table view, it's worth switching to it for this process because it gives you a clear column-by-column look at your data before you export, so there are no surprises in the final file. Once you're inside that view, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Customize. This opens a panel that controls the appearance and behavior of your current view. From the drop-down or options that appear, you're looking for Export. It may be labeled Export View depending on your version of ClickUp. Click that option to open the export settings. Here's where you get to make an important choice about what actually ends up in your CSV. ClickUp gives you three options: visible columns, which exports only the columns currently shown in your view; task names only, which is a stripped down export useful for quick lists; and all columns, which pulls in every field attached to your tasks. For most reporting purposes, visible columns is the sweet spot. It means you can customize exactly what appears in your view beforehand and use that as your filter. If you've hidden a column you don't need, it won't clutter your spreadsheet. Next, select CSV as your file format. ClickUp may offer other formats depending on your plan, but CSV is the most universally compatible. It opens cleanly in Excel, Google Sheets, Numbers, and virtually any data tool you'll ever use. Before you download, take a moment to set your preferred date and time formatting. This step is easy to overlook, but it matters more than you'd think. If you're handing this file to someone who uses a different regional format, say day, month, year versus month, day, year, setting this correctly now saves a lot of confusion later. Once that's configured, click download and the file will save directly to your computer. That's your first export done. Now let's look at the second method, which is designed for a completely different scenario. Use this approach when you need to bulk export tasks across multiple spaces, entire folders, or your whole workspace at once. This is the method you'd use for a full data backup, a major migration, or generating a company-wide report. Start by clicking on your workspace avatar. That's the icon in the very upper left corner of the ClickUp interface, usually showing your workspace name or logo. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, select Settings, which takes you into the administrative control panel for your account. In the left-hand sidebar of the settings area, look for an option called Imports and Exports and click on it. This section is ClickUp's dedicated hub for moving data in and out of your workspace. Once you're there, click the button labeled Export Items, or in some versions it may read Start Export. Either way, it kicks off the same process. You'll now see a drop-down labeled Select Locations. This is where you decide the scope of your export. If you click it, you can handpick specific spaces or folders you want to include. Useful if you only need 2 out of 10 spaces, for example. If you leave this field blank and don't select anything, ClickUp will default to pulling tasks from your entire workspace. For a full backup, leaving it blank is exactly what you want. Once you've made your selection, click Start Export. ClickUp will begin processing your data in the background, and depending on how large your workspace is, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. When it's done, you'll see a Download Export button appear right there on the screen. But here's a detail worth knowing. ClickUp will also send a download link to your registered email address. So even if you close the settings page before it finishes, you won't lose access to your file. Just check your inbox and the link will be waiting for you. And that is everything you need to know to export your ClickUp tasks to CSV, whether you're pulling a single list or your entire workspace. What you've just learned gives you full control over your project data. You can feed it into reports, archive it for compliance purposes, import it into another tool, or simply have a clean offline copy of your work. A good next step would be to open your downloaded CSV in a spreadsheet app and use filters or pivot tables to slice the data in whatever way your stakeholders need. And if you plan to do this regularly, it's worth bookmarking the imports and exports page so you can get to it in seconds next time. Save this video so you can come back to these steps whenever you need them, and I'll see you in the next one.